Hello friends, today we will discuss boat and streams problem. Now, we will consider four different type of speed for solving boat and stream question. The first one, that is SD, is equal to speed of boat in downstream. Second, S up, that is speed of boat in upstream. Third one, SB, speed of boat in still water. Fourth one, SS, speed of stream, or you can say speed of water or river or current. Now we will apply this notation in formula, that is SD, speed of boat in downstream, is equal to SB, speed of boat in still water, plus SS, that is speed of stream. This is our equation number 1. Now S up, that is speed of upstream, is equal to speed of boat plus minus speed of stream. That is equation number 2. By solving these two equations, equation number 1 and 2, we get speed of boat in still water is equal to speed of downstream plus speed of upstream divided by 2, and speed of stream or current is equal to speed of downstream minus speed of upstream by 2. These are the two major formulas to solve boat and stream question. Now we solve this question based on previous formula. Question is, if Anshul rows 15 km upstream and 21 km downstream, taking 3 hours each time, then what is the speed of stream? First of all, write the given entities, that is distance of upstream is 15 km and the time duration for upstream as well as 3 hours. Again, distance of downstream is 21 km and time duration for downstream is also 3 hours. Now we find speed of upstream, that is according to formula distance upon time. What we'll get, 15 upon 3, that is 5 km per hour. Now we will find speed of downstream. Put the values according to the formula, that is 21 upon 3. What we will get, 7 km per hour. In question, what we have to find, the speed of the stream. According to formula, speed of stream is equal to speed of downstream minus speed of upstream divided by 2. Put the values, speed of downstream is 7, speed of upstream is 5 divided by 2. What we will get, 2 by 2. Solving this, we get 1 km per hour is the speed of stream. Now we solve next question based on previous formula. Question is, if a man rows at a 6 km per hour in still water and 4.5 km per hour against the current, then what is the rate along the current? First of all, we have to write the given entities, that is SB, 6 km per hour in still water. And what else we have given? 4.5 km per hour against the current, that means speed of upstream is 4.5 km. Now remember the formula of upstream. Speed of upstream is equals to speed of boat minus speed of stream. put the values. Speed of upstream here is 4.5, speed of boat is 6. Consider speed of stream here is x. We also write here speed of stream we consider here is x. Now solve this equation, we get x is equal to 1.5. Now what we have to find, the rate along the current. You mean speed of downstream. Now write this formula of downstream, that is speed of boat plus speed of stream. Speed of boat we have already given is 6 km per hour, and speed of stream we will find that is 1.5. Adding 6 and 1.5 we will get 7.5 km per hour is the speed of downstream. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe us for more videos.